Yeah, very good, children. Now what we are going to do is keep only one tenth. Take the other tenth in your hand. Keep only one tenth here. Okay. Now group of 10.
In the group of 10,
14. Now we are going to make 14. How will you make 14? Group of 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is 14.
Take it
Group
out.
of 10, 4, 14. Yes, ma. Good morning. 10, group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on.
Okay.
Good morning, ma. Nakshatra. Bring any 20 countable objects. Ilango panniyacha. 14. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yes, ma'am, he did.
Yeah, good. Others, activity is for you. Ana mummy da activity பண்றாங்க. Why?
It's 14, ma'am.
Finish.
14, ma'am. Finish.
Very good. Very good. Let others also finish. Wait, Mukta. Okay, now number 12. 12 means how many you will keep here? You have already group of 10 here. Yes, now 1, 11, 12. Group of 10, 11, 12. Come on, Kevin. Do the activity, Kevin. Group of 10. This is 11 and this is 12.
Ma'am, please ask Nimalan also to do, ma'am.
Yes, Nimalan. Why are you playing, Nimalan? 12 number பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Come on.
இங்க பாரு மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க வர.
Nimalan.
சொல்லு. எடுத்து வை. எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am.
I said Nimalan is a good boy. Actually, Nimalan is a bad boy.
அத்தியா போச்சு போ பேட் பாய்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
Okay, now the next number is 16. 16 எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க? Group of 10. Now 6 we are going to add. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Number 16. Very good, Adya. Yeah, good. It is also done, na? Good. If you have blocks also, you can use, children. Building blocks, if you have small building blocks, that also you can use. Okay, now the next number is 18. 18, group of 10 and 8 numbers, okay? So you have group of 10 here. Now ma'am is going to add 8 channas to it, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I have 18 channas here. 18. Tilakar, if you are not doing the activity, how will you learn, Tilakar?
Mommy.
18.
Not.
Very good, Mailango. Very good, Adya, Mailango. Priyasri, good. Yukta, good.
இது மேம் கிட்ட
Okay.
காமிக்கிறேன்.
Now the next number is 15. 15 பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 15. 10 is already here. Now we are going to add 5 more. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. 15.
ம்.
Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, Sarah. Very good, Ilango. Very good. Adya is doing a good. Very good, Nakshatra. Ilango, good. Very good, Ma. Very good, Nimala. You can use garlic also. Very good. Good idea. Okay, next. Okay, next number is 17. 17. Group of 10 is here. Now I am going to add 7 more. Okay. 11, 12, 13,
7 more.
14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Not from 3, 4, 5. Who is counting 3, 4, 5? No. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Parents, don't ask them to count. 1, 2, 3 னு count பண்ணி எடுன்னு சொல்லாதீங்க. Please don't say like that. After group of 10, you will get 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
நீ சொல்லுங்க.
It should be like that. Don't tell them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you say like that, they'll think that the number is only 7. It will not be 17. Ranavi Pravina, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, why this holiday? ஏன் இவ்வளவு நாள் லீவு?
மேம் நெட்வொர்க் வந்துட்டு நாங்க இன்னைக்கு தான் மாட்டோம். பழசு வந்துட்டு இதாயிடுச்சு. அதனால புதுசு வாங்கி மாட்டுறதுக்கு டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு மேம்.
ஓகேமா, கிளாஸ் நிறைய பெண்டிங் இருக்கு. Be careful, okay?
ஓகே மேம்.
Good, very good children. Now all of you arrange it. Arrange your materials. Keep it aside. Let's start our session.
மேம் வாட் மேம்?
Yeah, I finished the activity, ma'am. No problem.
ஓகே மேம்.
Keep it aside. Very good, children. Well done. Good. Very good, Matilakar. Okay, now all of you stand up. Join your hands and close your eyes. For Sabaresh, if you have 2 chairs, you can give them. Let them
okay, ma'am.
separately. Join your hands and close your eyes. Yukta, ready? Yukta. Yes, Yukta, loudly, Yukta. Hidri, Anta. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wing beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might I shall achieve you my potential inside. Yes, very good. Keep standing. Don't sit down. Warm-up activity. Run, run, run.
Ding ding.
You are out of frame, Appu.
Good, everyone. Very good. Come on, go drink one glass of water and come back.
Hey. Okay, come on. Come. பின்னாடி வாடா.
Adya. Adya Sharma. Adya. Who's this? Farah. Adya Sharma.
Here I am.
Here I am, Adya Sharma.
Very good, Adya. Next.
உங்க சொல்லுப்பா.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Next. Nakshatra.
ஒழுங்கிட்டு சொல்லு.
Very good, Nakshatra. Next. Very good, Nitish. Next.
சொல்லு சொல்லு ஹியர்.
Very good, Kevin. Next.
சொல்லு. சொல்லுடா.
Here I am.
Very good, Riyasri. Next.
Sarah. Sarah. Here, madam. Here,
Very good.
madam.
Pranati. Okay. Pravina. Very good. Srinija. Absent. Tilakar.
Here, madam.
Very good, Tilakar. Yukta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next. Kadambari is absent. Shavanya. Shavanya.
ஆனோ பண்ணு கேமரா ஆனோ பண்ணுடா
Shavanya. Here I am.
Here I am.
Very good, Shavanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Adarsh. Thank you so much, children. Okay. Next is our phonics. Okay. Today we are going to do phonics worksheet only. So before that, we'll get ready with the phonics. Okay, children. First is alphabet A. What is the phonic sound for A, children? What is the phonic sound for A? Very good. Next is B. Capital B, small b. What is the phonic sound? Ba. Ba. Okay. Next is C. Very good. Yeah, clicking castanet. Good ma, Pranavi and Pravina. Next is D. D. Da. Very good. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da. Drum. Okay, good. Next is E. What is
Putting the fish in the water hole.
My friends and I went to the okay. Is D. What is the phonic sound for D? Okay, so today's worksheet is also going to be based on that only. I've already sent you the message only, right? So take D06 PH. D06 PH worksheet.
Cheating on the plate. Obviously, it's too
Yeah, children. Today's date is 4/8/2121. And the day is Wednesday. Mute yourself, Tara, Tilaka.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D06PH. I've already sent you the message today. So today only we are going to do all those left out phonic worksheets. So we'll be doing 4 to 5 worksheets today. Got it? Here you are going to name the picture tick the box if you can hear the a sound. A sound is a. So wherever you hear எங்கெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு a sound கேக்குதோ, you have to tick that box. Okay? Ready? Children, இது வந்து எப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு A for apple, A for arrow, not like that. This is sound. எங்கெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு a sound கேக்குதோ, you have to tick it. You should not think that B is for bat. So it will not come under the a sound. அப்படி கிடையாது. Okay, batலயும் உங்களுக்கு a sound இருக்கு. Bat. A sound. You can hear the a sound. Cat also a sound கேக்குது. Cat. கேக்குதா? So like that you have to see and tick the pictures, okay? Shall we start?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Yes, sorry.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am? What book, ma'am?
Just 2 more minutes.
Yeah. Mokshita amma உங்களுக்கு இந்த sheet இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். You will not have these sheets.
மேம் 2 minutes மேம், நான் அந்த புக் எடுத்துட்டு வந்துடுறேன்.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Here. 06 each. Part 1 தானே?
மேம் we took மேம்.
Yeah, part 1 only. Yeah, the same sheet.
மேம் ஏ சவுண்ட் வர இடத்துலலாம் எனக்கு டிக் பண்ணுமா?
Now I'll tell you, just take the sheet.
ஓகே மேம்.
Yeah, 1 minute children. 1 minute.
நீ பாருங்க.
Ready? So first is anchor. I want everyone to mute yourself first. Tilakar, mute yourself. Anchor. A sound. கேக்குதுங்களா எல்லாருக்கும்? Can you hear the a sound? Anchor. Yes, so you are going to tick it. Anchor.
Like the answer.
Bat. A sound. Can you hear the a sound? Bat. கேக்குதுங்களா? So that is correct only. So you have to tick it. This is based on the phonic sound. So please don't confuse yourself. Next is cat. Cat. Can you hear the a sound in cat? Anyone? Cat la a sound கேக்குதா? Yes or no?
No.
No. Is it no? Cat. Cat. A sound you can hear. A sound கேக்குது. So that is correct. Take it. Next is angry. Angry. Can you hear the a sound? Angry. Yes or no? Angry. Can you hear the a sound? Yes or no? Answer, children.
No.
Angry. No. Sarah, you can't hear the a sound in angry? Can you hear the a sound? Angry. So take it. Next is alligator.
Ma'am, why did you pick this cat? Sorry, I didn't get it.
Cat. A sound you can hear in cat. Cat and bat. That is the middle sound.
It's a middle sound. Okay.
Yeah. Let them just tick it. In future worksheets, I'll tell you how to find out. Alligator. Can you hear the a sound in alligator? Alligator. Yes. So tick the alligator.
Listen.
We have 3 divisions. That is the starting sound, middle sound, and ending sound. You have to check within these 3 whether you can hear the particular sound. If you hear it, you can very well take the picture.
But ma'am, this way don't they will not be confused.
Yeah, it is little bit confused only, but they can do it now. Let them do it. I'll teach them how to do that in future worksheet.
Ma'am, but starting sound is only easy for them now, no, ma'am, because they will get very confused if it is this way. Because cat
But as
means
per the worksheets, you have to tick it only. I can't do anything for that. But in future
okay,
worksheets, I myself will tell them how to identify. Don't worry about that.
okay, ma'am. Because now
A
they
to
are
Z
able
we
to
have all the
identify.
phone. Yeah, till A to Z we have. So no problem. Don't worry about that. I'll tell you how to find out the middle sound also for them. Okay, since this is the beginning, it will be like that only. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. Because for cat they are telling ka only, no, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, so if that is the issue, in the next worksheet, we'll follow like that. We'll follow the earlier step. No issue.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Next is the bar sound worksheet. D07PH. D07PH worksheet. Here you are going to tick the bar sound. Bar. If you can hear the bar sound, tick it. Let others also take the worksheet. Those who have taken it can start doing it. Everyone is ready? Bar sound. First is bell, bathtub, cobbler, bubble, pot. 5 pictures you have in which you can hear the bar sound. You can tick it. Shall we start? Everyone is having the worksheet. Shall we start?
D07PH.
First is bell. Bell. Can you hear the bar sound in bell? Yes or no? Only when you answer, I'll tick it, children. Can you hear the bar sound in bell? Yes or no?
Bolo.
Yes. So tick. Bell. Bell. Next is bathtub. Can you hear the bar sound in bathtub? Bathtub. Can you hear, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Yes. So tick it. Bathtub.
PH.
Bathtub. Next is cobbler. Cobbler. You can hear the car sound. So no need to tick it. Even bar sound is there. No issues. No need to tick that. Next is bubble. Bubble. Can you hear the bar sound here? Yes or no? Bar sound கேக்குதா? Bubble. Shavanya, bar sound can you hear in bubble?
Yes, ma'am.
So tick it. Next is pot. Potல உங்களுக்கு bar sound தான் கேக்குது. So no. You should not tick that. It is wrong. Cross out. And cobbler also cross out.
Yes, ma'am.
Pot and cobbler cross out. Finish. Next is D1010 PH worksheet. D1010 PH worksheet. D1010 PH worksheet.
Is there a book here? Are the book down?
Here you are going to match the car sound. Car sound, wherever you can hear the car sound, you can match that picture to the C in the middle. You have C in the middle, right? Car. You can match it, children, those who have taken the worksheet. All of you have taken the worksheet. Shall we start doing it? Shall we start, children? Yes or no?
Ma'am, what they
Children,
should do?
only when you answer, I can move on, children. Have you taken the worksheet?
Ma'am, what they should do in this page?
With this page, you can wait. Now, if you don't know, you can wait. I'll tell you what to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we start then? Okay, I'm starting it, children. Since I have no answers, I'm going to start. C for cat. So match cat. Will you match cow? Yes or no? You will match cow? Will you match cow? House match பண்ணலாமா? House on the school. Yes, Chitra. No, you will not match. Next is Yes, very good, Tilaka. Please mute yourself, Tilaka. Next is carrot. Will you match carrot for Yes or no? Carrot.
No.
Next is cow. Shall we match for cow?
Yes,
Cow.
बताओ मैम को बताओ काउ यस और नो
Cow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? No, then it will not match. Will not match it. Yes or no, children? Cow. Correct or wrong? Yes, correct. Good. Next is tree. Tree is right or wrong? Tree பண்ணலாமா? Tree shall we do? Yes or no? No, because tree is third sound. Okay. Next is D11PH. 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 Here, D sound. எங்கெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு D sound கேக்குதோ, you have to take it. D, Nakshatra. Phonic sounds. Are you doing it correctly, Nakshatra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Tell me how to do this worksheet. D sound. Dish. Correct or wrong? Will you take the dish?
Da sound.
D sound கேக்குதா dishல? Yes, so ticket. Dish. Next is diamond. Diamond. Yes, you can hear. Very good. Nimalan, why don't you answer, Nimalan? Diamond.
Okay.
Next is sandwich. Sandwich, you cannot hear. Okay. Next is sad. Sad also ending sound, you have the D sound. If you are willing to take it, you can take, or else you can leave it. Next is caterpillar. Cannot hear the D sound. Cross out.
Ma'am, what's the first one? Plate. What's the
Dish.
first one? Dish. Okay.
Children, it is not plate, it is dish. Dish and diamond for D sound, you will tick it, okay? And rest of the pictures, you cannot hear the D sound, so you will cross out. Next worksheet is D26, PH. We have done the G letter, no? After that, you will have G. D26, PH. Sorry, we have not done D, 1 minute. Yeah. D26, PH. G sound. Parents, if you have taken the worksheet, please let me know. We'll start doing it.
Yes, ma'am. Took the worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll start. Here you are going to tick the G sound. Okay. First is pig. In pig, can you hear the G sound, children? Those who can hear the G sound can tick it. If you are not able to hear the G sound, parents, if they are not able to identify the G sound in pig, need not tick it. If they can hear pigல G sound கேக்குதுமா அப்படின்னு சொன்னா டிக் பண்ணுங்க. I can hear the G sound, so I am going to tick it. Pig, G, pig.
Excuse me, ma'am. After which page, ma'am?
G page, gorilla page.
Ma'am, page number?
D26. PH. Next is gate. Gate. Gate, can you hear the G sound? Shravanya, can you hear the G sound in gate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then take it. Very good, ma. Next is star.
Ma'am?
Yes, Mokshita's mom.
Ma'am, only this page only I'm having, ma'am. After
Yes, you
that,
will not have Mokshita's mom since you are continuing with the old kit itself, right?
oh yes, yes,
New
ma'am.
kit,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have updated everything, so that it will be there only in the new kit. I'll send you the soft copy of this. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Next is star. Star, Ilango, can you hear the G sound in star? Starல G sound கேக்குதா?
G sound கேக்குதா? அதுல star கேக்குதா?
கேக்கல.
மேம்
கேக்கல. So that is wrong.
கேக்கல, ma'am.
Correct ma, correct தான். G sound கேக்கல, so that is wrong. Very good, Tilakar, you have finished. Good. Next is goat. Sarah, can you hear the G sound in goat? Goat.
Not. Yes.
Goat.
Yes.
Adya, can you hear the G sound in goat? G sound.
No.
No, goat. Cannot hear?
She did already.
Did it?
Please, Maliku.
Okay, tick. Okay, Adya. Next is grape. Can you hear the G sound in grape? Yes, very good. Adya, you have become very smart nowadays. Good, Adya. Great, good. The same D26 worksheet empty. Those who have finished, take D26 empty. Those who have not finished, look at the sheet in the screen and tick it. No need to worry, parents. பசங்களுக்கு சவுண்டே தெரியல அப்படின்ட்டு worry பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம். Next class I'll be conducting an activity, so please don't worry. Shall we move on to the next worksheet, parents? Finished your children?
Yes.
Yes, the next worksheet D26 empty. Count the number of objects and write the correct number in each box. So how we are going to count? 1, 2, 3 like that you will count, or group of 10 like that you will count, children? How should you count? Circle the group of 10 first.
Circle the group of
10, 11, 12, 13. So how will you write number 13? Anyone? How will you write number 13?
monkey.
Yeah, 1, 3, very good, Riyasri. 1, 3, 13. Good, Riyasri. 1, 3, 13. Very rarely Riyasri will answer that too correctly. Very good, Riyasri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Next is flowers. Group of 10. Then 10 after, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, what number you will write, children, for 18? 18, how will you write? 18. No one knows how to write 18? We have already finished till 20 numbers. 18. Very good. Good ma. 1, 8, 18. Good. Very good, children. Children, only when you answer, I'll know how much you have understood, children. Please try to answer. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, look carefully. Look at the screen, all of you. All of you, I request all of you to look at the screen now. Stop writing. Look at the screen. Here you have 4 oranges, but you have 2 boxes here. Yes or no? No. How will you write 4? No. Who's that? No. 2 boxes you have.
Yes,
The second box you should write 4. The first box you will write 0, and the second box you will write 4. You should not write 4 in the first box. It is wrong. First box la 4 எழுத கூடாது. It is wrong. In future classes you will learn ones place and tens place. So at that time you will get confused. So don't write in the first box. In the box la எழுத கூடாது. For example, I am telling you. Look at the screen, children. Don't write 4 in இப்படி எழுத கூடாது. This is wrong. In the box la எழுத கூடாது. 4 here only you should write. This only is correct. This box, the starting box, first box, you have to write 0. Understood? First box la 4 யாரும் எழுத கூடாது. Second box only you should write 4. The same way apples also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where will you write number 7? First box what we have to write? என்ன எழுதணும் first box la? What we have to write, children? 0. Very good. First box la 0. Second box la 7. Understood?
Understand, ma'am.
This is single digit, 1 digit number. So use the box correctly, children. 2 digit number means you can use both the box. 2 digit number ku rendu box use pannalam, but 1 digit number you have to choose and use it correctly. Next is cross group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Finished? Very good. Everyone has finished? Still, who is doing this worksheet?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Actually.
Yeah, I'll wait. If you have not done, you please tell me, I'll wait. Next worksheet is your test, children. D26 empty worksheet. Another worksheet you will have. I'll show you. One flower page you will have. Numbers from 1 to 20. Missing numbers. Take that sheet and do it on your own. Don't get help from your parents. Can you see this? D26 empty. A flower worksheet. Try to do it. Don't get help from your parents. Those who have finished, try to do it. It is going to be your test. Okay? This sheet you have to do next. Yeah, the same thing. புரியல எனக்கு நிதிஷம்மா. Next to that sheet itself, you will have the flower worksheet. Okay, Tilakar, I know that please mute yourself, Tilakar.
Okay.
Nitish, mom, this sheet you have to do. Can you see?
Okay, ma'am.
D26 empty only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish, children. Shall I go back? You want me to share the screen? Parents, are they finished? Everyone has finished. If anyone is doing? No work? Okay, this will be your next worksheet. D26 empty. Few numbers are given and few numbers are missing. Find out the missing number. Do it on your own, children. Number 1 is given. 1. Next number is 2. 2 is not given here, right? Write number 2. Those are not done. For them, I am telling you. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. After 7, what you have to write? 7 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்?
சொல்லுங்க.
8.
8. Very good, Sarah. 8. Next, after 8?
8. 9.
Very good. 9. 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13 is not given. So you have to write 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17 is missing. So you have to write 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19 is also missing. So write 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20.
1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13.
I'm Pranav and Praveen are finished.
Finisha.
Ma'am, Yuktha finished, but one small mistake she did, ma'am. Instead of 13, she wrote 31.
That's it. 1, 3,
Ma'am,
எப்படி
for
சொல்றீங்களோ
Pranav,
அதே மாதிரி தான்
ma'am, for
எழுதணும்.
Pranav and Praveena,
1, 3. Like that only you are pronouncing, no? So the same way. 1 and first சொல்றோமா? So you have to write 1 and then only 3. Okay, Yukta?
ma'am, for Pranav and Praveena 15 க்கு அப்புறம் தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது மேம்.
என்னம்மா?
15 க்கு அப்புறம் 17 வந்துட்டு எப்படி போடணும்னு கேக்குறாங்க ரெண்டு பேரும்.
Because they didn't attend the classes, right? Pending worksheet is there. Try to finish all the pending worksheets, then they will know.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Till 20 we have finished, Ma Sabarish.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Ma'am, till which book page shall you finish?
And share the page numbers for you, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1. Start.
You tell. I'll finish.
Ma'am, next what?
That's all my worksheet today. Today itself we have done more worksheets. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Take your English notebook, children, all of you. Take your English notebook. Parents, let them write the worksheet. Please draw a big mango and inside that mango, A to G, small letters A to G. Write and give it to them. They are going to circle. Identification activity. Take your English notebook.
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்லு.
Take your English notebook, everyone. Parents, you can draw and give them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm here. Do you remember English number? Papa, which one is English number? You are.
Like this it should be.
Hey, what English number?
தயாரப்பா சொல்லுங்க நான் பண்ணிட்டேன் பண்ணிட்டேன்
Finished, Sarah. What did you finish?
English, English.
நான் பண்ணிட்டேன்
Circle பண்ணியாச்சா? I didn't tell you to circle it. So how will you finish? Naughty girl. Parents can draw, write and give it to them. Let them circle it. Ready?
Ma'am, I drawn gave to them.
ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் வரைஞ்சு கொடுமா சபரீஷ்.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Ravina, if you're not feeling okay to sit with her, you can sit down. If it is not comfortable, sit down. No issue. I can see both of you.
What, ma'am?
Comfortable இல்லனா கீழ உட்கார சொல்லுன்னு சொன்னேன்.
ஓகே மேம். இல்ல அதுங்க ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணா தான் உட்காருங்க எப்பவுமே. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒண்ணா தான் உட்காருவாங்க.
Okay ma.
B to D.
Shall we start?
Ma'am, what we need to draw, ma'am?
Write A to G in that. For Adarsh, you can write capital letters and give it to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Kevin, ready? Yes, Kevin. Nakshatra, ready?
சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, now start circling the alphabet children. First alphabet is C. C. Circle C. C. Ilango, you are doing worksheet, ma? Ilango is doing worksheet,
Yes, ma'am. Now only finished, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
He's
draw
ready.
a big mango. I'll wait for you first.
Yeah. I've done it, ma'am. Yes.
Done it,
He's
okay.
ready.
Circle C. Clicking castanets. C. Where is C? Find out and circle it. Mokshita also. C. Next is F. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Got a hold, the air came out. Fish. F. Next letter B. B. Standing line, front curve. B. Don't circle standing line, back curve letter, that is D. Standing line and front curve, that is B. Finish. Next is E. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Sabarish, don't teach them.
Ma'am, B is done.
Don't teach them. Let them do it on their own.
Okay, ma'am.
B is done.
E. Finish. Next is D. D.
D.
D. Drum D. See me play on my drums. D. Next is A. Hands on my arm. Hands on my arm. Hands on my arm. They are causing me alarm. A. Next is G. 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 That's it.
Ma'am, sorry.
You all circle correctly. Finish. Parents, if they find any difficulty in finding the alphabet, good.
I finished my food.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I'm just
we are
here
about finished,
confused
ma'am.
between D and B.
D and B, okay.
Ma'am, for
D and B.
Pranavi and Pravina, D and B is confusing.
Okay, D and B, okay. Who else is finding difficulty in finding out D and B? Who is finding difficulty in finding out D and B?
Ma'am,
Yes?
Ilango was confused with P and 9, number 9.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
Different problem. 9 and number.
Yeah. I also got shocked. B and D he got confused, but now yes, he's clear with that.
Okay.
He's getting confused with P and number 9.
P and 9. Okay, that I will sort it out. First, we'll sort out with. Children, all of you look at the screen. Standing line, front curve, B. Standing line, back side curve is B. Okay, now one by one tell me. What color is B? B, what color is B now? Black color? Yes,
B.
Nakshatra. Nakshatra, which is B? Blue or black?
Color sollu idhu color
Color solunga. Okay, I'll change the color for you. I'll change it to red. B enna color ma?
B. Sound sollu கேட்கல எனக்கு.
Red color is D. Okay. Next, who was finding difficulty in finding out? Yuptava, who?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Pranavi, Pravina. Which is B?
Yeah. Which is B?
Enna color B? Come on.
Blue.
Blue is B. And red is?
Red எனக்கு.
Red is what? D or B? D or B? What is this?
D.
D. Very good. Adya? What is this, Adya?
What is this?
Blue.
No. What alphabet is that?
Billy blue.
Billy blue. Okay, what alphabet is this?
This is B or D? This is B or D?
B balloon.
हाँ और ये क्या है?
T.
हाँ.
D. Very good, Adya. Next is Nimalan. Nimalan. What is this, Nimalan?
B and D.
D. Okay, this one?
Blue color ka
வெயிட் பண்றாங்கல்ல.
D. B.
Ilango.
D.
Very good. Ilango.
Ma'am கேக்குறாங்க வெயிட் பண்ணு. Yes ma'am சொல்லுங்க.
இல்லங்க what letter is this?
இது என்னதுப்பா?
D.
ஆ?
B.
சத்தமா சொல்லு ma'am.
D, ma'am.
D. Okay, this one?
D, ma'am.
Very good. So I think you have no confusion in this, children. That's all for the activity and worksheets today. Thanks for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.